Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can add a nesting CSS properties and extend your classes. In the beginning I will show you an example, like I'm adding here some body and then background and then brackets, then color should be A1F F7F, and the image, actually the image should be, let me add some image here first. So I have added a app icon image here. uh, this is just for an example. So we need to add the image. Let me close this menu and then add some image with the URL of app icon.png, hopefully app icon.png. Let me copy this name, app icon.png, app icon.png. Yeah, now we have added the same name that we have in our image directory. So now I'm gonna add some repeat with no repeat, and the position should be centered. Center. Once I save this, I will get the results with the multiple properties. Like for example, if the CSS writing thing will behave the background and then color and then background and image, and some of the margins and paddings that you may use as a dynamic way. You can also add the background attributes in one time and then attribute first item. Actually, this is a first item and this is a second item. You don't need to add the hyphen because it will consider this column, consider the hyphen. That's why we will add the properties like this. This is called the nesting CSS properties. So you can also apply this in your while developing your website. So now I'm gonna work with the extending of the classes within a classes. So as we have seen, we can use the parent selector to avoid repetition. However, that is very much tied to the scope of the particular parent. So now I'm gonna show you an example with the extending. For example, I will add some forms here and then border color here, 1 pixel solid and then black, actually 219 fe3. So we will actually add the background color here with the 7cc6ef with the hashtag. And now I'm gonna add some another class with the properties of border 1 pixel solid and then 219 fe3, and then I'm gonna add some background here with the 7cc6ef and the color should be black. So if I want to expand this class, extend actually, so we need to add the quote and then extend form with the color. For example, now we have the results with the form and quote. Now I'm gonna add some quote here with the at extend and then form, and then color should be black. So if we add this, we got the got this results in our CSS. Actually, we need to remove this for a while. Let me show you the exact results. So here is a form that we have expand this into the and the quote. Actually, for example, if we are working with the form and quote, the some of the properties will same, and you want to extend the class, you can easily extend the properties and values. For example, border have the form have the border, and the background have also the also the background have the form, and then quote have the same values, and you need to add the quote with the black color. So you need to easily repeat these values within a class. For example, this class may contain these two results, and I'm gonna extend this quote and then extend and form. Actually, these two classes have the same value, and it will generate the color for the quote. So that's how you can extend your classes. So now I'm gonna show you an example of some more extending formats. So percentage sign and then list style with the list style none, and the padding should be 0, and then I'm gonna add some list group here. Actually, list group here, and then we will add the extend value and then percentage sign with the list style that we have written here. We will also these two values here with the extend. So now I'm gonna add some margins, 2.5 em and then 0 and 0.75 em. Once we save this, we will got the two results with the list group and these two values here, and then the second value is here. So for example, if you want to remove any class, or and you want to you don't need to remove those values that they are repeating in multiple classes, so you can add simply percentage sign. It will not appear to your CSS, and it will automatically extend your with the values of an other class. So that is how you can create a extend properties. In the next lecture we will focus on the logic sass. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. You can also visit my website, and you can also download my apps in your phone. That will find um, uh, the link in the description, have the all the social media profiles and the website, and also you can install my apps from here. And so that's all for now, and see you guys in my next video.